In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet 3052 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until the best match would appear, and once it's here, all you need to do is you need to click on Open to continue, and in a while you would be redirected to the Google Chrome browser. So please wait until everything are set there before we proceed. Now once the search bar is available, please type for HP LaserJet space 3052 space driver. Then hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. So please proceed to the first result. Click on it. And eventually you can see this kind of window where you can see HP LaserJet 3052 printer driver and select the driver universal print driver. Click on this down arrow key and choose among of these two. So click on download. In my case, I have already downloaded such, but in your case, if not yet, then download it. Once done, please move that to the desktop and you would be able to see a zip file like this. So you need to unzip that by double tapping or by simply making a right click and go with extract all or using the WinRAR tool to extract it, tap on it. In that way, you would be able to extract the file. So kindly wait until it would be successfully extracted. And now a new file folder has been created, meaning we have successfully extracted it. Then this is the time that we will now begin the installation. So by that, please navigate at the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Now here, please navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the options and please locate with Bluetooth and devices. Click on it and proceed with printers and scanners and click on add device. And kindly wait until you can see an option where you can manually add a device. So click on add manually. And from here, please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next, click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. Click on next. Go with Have Disk and on Browse. And from here, since our extracted file has been placed at the desktop, then we need to navigate to the desktop, scroll down on the list, double tap to it, and select any of this function similarly. So all you need to do is you need to select any of that and click on the second, which is HP Universal Printing PS version 7.6.0. Click on next, click on next, and please rename that, okay, into HP LaserJet 3052, then hit the next, and it will now start in the installation. So kindly wait until this would be done. Okay, so once done, click on next. And if you would like to set it as your default printer, you can check that. And if you don't want to, uncheck it and go with finished. And there you have it. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet 3052 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.